Bodyweight Bird Dog. Come to a tabletop position, hands directly under the shoulders, knees directly under the hips. Engage through your abdominals. Allow your lower back to lengthen by tucking the pelvis very gently. Tuck the chin. Stabilize your body by keeping your muscles tight. Tuck your toes. We will raise one leg to hip height as we elevate and raise the top arm on the opposite side. Brace the abdominals, keep everything in a straight line and lower back down to the ground with control. Gently move to the other side, stabilize, lift, brace and lower with control. Stabilize, lift, brace the abdominals, lower with control. With time, you will find your rhythm. Aim to keep everything in a straight line, muscles tight as you move with mindfulness. At no point in the exercise will you let your hips go into anterior pelvic tilt. At no point in the exercise will you become unstable, because you will keep everything nice and tight, abdominals braced.